The amount of times that I got that I look like Han from Stray Kids is quite shocking. Personally, I don't think that we really look alike, but I can see why people would comment that. I think the reason why I get that I look like Han is because we're part of the same animal family. And you guys might be wondering, what does animal family mean? You know when people look like cats or dogs or foxes? Well, my whole life I got chipmunk, rabbit, hamster, squirrel, and from what I saw, Han gets the same type of animals. And he's specifically known as a quokka, which I have gotten before as well. So we're gonna live like Han for 24 hours, which means eating like Han, dressing like Han, dancing and rapping and singing like Han. And to be honest, I don't know him too well, so let's study him through some videos. Okay, first let's do a simple Google search. Stray Kids Han. Han was born on September 14, 2000. He is a rapper, producer, and vocalist of the group Stray Kids. His SKZoo is Han quokka, and his emoji is the squirrel. From what I've seen from Han, he's a very talented guy. He's very well-rounded, seems like he has a very fun personality. His MBTI is ISTP. We are almost opposites. I'm ENFP. His favorite food is cheesecake and chocolate cake. Oh my god, he's a sweets guy. Okay. His hobby is reading manga books. His motto in life is "This too shall pass." That's a great motto. Mine is very similar. Mine is, "This will be a fun story to tell one day." It says that he also likes an iced Americano. I like a good iced Americano. I've just been cutting out coffee and I've been only drinking tea and matcha. Well, we can do Americano. Okay, on this Reddit thread, it says Han can't take spicy. Even his favorite ramen flavor is the Jin Ramen brand mild flavor. I like Jin Ramen.
아니 근데 왜 야채를 그렇게 먹냐? 사람이 햄스터야? 코카의 본분을 잊지 마. 먹을래?
Oh my god, he looks like a 완전 hamster. He's so cute. I can't really find anything else that Han really likes. I feel like he might just eat anything. Go quokka, go quokka. Now this is iconic. Wow, sounds like a very exciting day. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Whoa. 안녕 stays. I'm gonna go for a more natural look. Definitely no glitter today. Male K-pop stars tend to go for a more simple look. I'm eating an egg. I don't know if he likes eggs, but I was just too hungry. I'm gonna get food, but it's in K-Town. And K-Town is like 30-minute subway. So I needed to eat this egg for some fuel. And hopefully Han likes boiled eggs too. Let me know in the comments. This is the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. And then some headphones to complete the outfit. Boom! Swag! Everybody, we made it to K-Town. We're gonna head over to this Korean restaurant called Uri Jip. They have the toshdak that I'm gonna get. Guys, this is amazing. Wait, this is crazy. Rice in here. They even have drinks. Whoa. I was able to get a corner spot. Guys, I'm so shy vlogging right now. There's so many people. Exposure therapy. I was looking at more Han videos and saw that my fellow content creator friend Joelle ate like Han for a day. And she mentioned that Han's treat yourself meal was spicy pork bulgogi.
For dinner, Han said that as a trainee, his treat yourself meal was always spicy pork bulgogi.
So yeah, that's what I got. I was only gonna get this one, but the jjajangmyeon just looks so good. Guys, it comes with a tater tot. Whoa. This place is so cold. And it's like the perfect place to get food if you're in a rush. 잘 먹겠습니다. Wait, it's so good. First jjajangmyeon in New York City. Cheers. This one's not as good. I think they might have used spaghetti noodles for this. This tastes like a pasta. Here are my leftovers. Han loves his iced Americano, so we're gonna get that. And also, I wanna get a cheesecake. Can I get an iced Americano and cheesecake for to go? Okay, thank you. I have obtained the Gray Street cheesecake. Last time I came to Gray Street, my friend Yura recommended the cheesecake here, and it's actually so good. And it might be like one of the best cheesecakes I've ever had in my life. So that is why I came to Gray Street for the cheesecake. And then I also ordered an iced Americano and they're gonna buzz me. Not bad, not bad. I couldn't find much about what type of food Han likes to eat other than cheesecake, chocolate cake, and iced Americano. But I did see a Reddit post of the spice tolerance of the Stray Kids members. And I don't know where they got the information, but they said that Han can't do spicy too well, so he gets the Chin ramen in mild. There's an H Mart really close by, so I think I'm gonna get a pack of Chin ramen. The H Mart in New York City is so expensive. Okay, $8 is not too bad. There's this boy on Instagram Reels and he's done that before and I wanted to try it because I just cleaned my floor yesterday and wow, that was actually such a workout. I don't know how he does it like every video. So as a K-pop star of a big K-pop boy group, I, Han, am gonna be practicing my dances and my rapping and my singing right now. What dance should I do? Should I do God's Menu? Is it that one? Is that God's Menu? Guys, how am I gonna learn that rap? Oh my god, that was, what a talented man. Cooking sauce 맛대로. Tastes so good, 반응은 모르죠. Oh, it's not this one. Wait, what's the spitting one then? Oh, is it thunderous? Or should I learn a more recent song? Oh! Ooh. Oh my god! For dancing, I feel like I should choose the one that's the easiest out of the three, but they all look really hard. Oh my god, I need to poop. Oh my god, wait. Oh, my stomach hurts. Is it because of the coffee? Okay guys, be right back. I need to go to the restroom. I'm back. I just unleashed the demon. I don't know where that came from. Han's rap practice. Let's get it! Okay, God's Menu, Han's rap. Bro, that's so hard. What the hell? What's like the best way to learn lyrics? Maybe I'll read it out loud first. Cooking a sauce 입맛대로 털어. 음미하고 내게 말해본. 음미하고 내게 말해본. 음미하고 말해. 음미하고 내게 말해본. Tastes so good, 반응은 모두 쩔어. These are like tongue twisters, man. Okay, maybe I can start with a tongue twister. Pen. Peter Potter picked a peck of pickled pepper. She sells, got seashore. How much wood would it take to wood to some wood? Okay, I think I need to study where he breathes. Okay, we got the lyrics here. 경계 따위 없이 마치 쿠킹에서 입맛대로 털어 의미하고 내게 말해 born. Wait, did I do it? I kinda did it. 소리를 만들지! Be like Elsa. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, 소리. Being a rapper is so hard. Don't get that way upset. 창조하듯이 소리를 만들지. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Cross boundaries, 경계 따위. Why am I so bad? Okay, I need like a rap voice. Cooking is sauce. Cooking is sauce 입맛대로 털어. Whoa, wait, why was that kind of good? Guys, I think I'm improving. 털어. born. cooking sauce 입맛대로 털어 의미하고 따위 없이 마치 창조하듯 소들을 만들지. I want it. 쏟아 먹을 때까지 연구하지. 쏟아 먹을 때까지 연구하지. Oh my god, the 연구하지 cross boundaries, that's such a tongue twister for me. I want it. 쏟아 먹을 때까지 연구하지 cross boundaries. Oh, I need a break. Being a K-pop star is so hard, guys. What the heck? 때까지 연구하지 cross boundaries. 때까지 연구하지 cross boundaries. 그게 소스 맛대로 털어 의미하고 내게 말해 born. 뒤속의 반응은 모르잖아. but 모두 작동적인 거. I want it till 다 먹을 때까지 연구하지 cross boundaries. 경계 따위 없음 마치 창조하듯 소리를 만들지. Honestly, did I do it? A big thing that K-pop stars do is monitor themselves so that they can see how to improve. So here we are, we're gonna monitor my rapping. No girl, you didn't do it. I think I need to like open my mouth more and enunciate. Oh, it's so hard. I want to give up. Honestly, as much as it's a bit stressful, it is a little addicting. What are my thoughts? I do think that there is a little bit of an improvement. What do you guys think? Okay guys, I'm gonna take a 10-minute break and then we're gonna get into dance practice.
How y'all doing?
Can you guys believe it's been 2 hours? Do you guys think that I should still learn the dance moves? I feel like the video's already long with the rapping part, right? We don't need to learn the dance moves. Oh my gosh, she's so good.
7, then we're going to go
7
and 8. So
and
from here,
8.
Shift our feet again to the other side, so left, swivel to the right, swivel to the left. As we do
8, 8, 2, 6, out, out. Okay, here's my performance. I'm giving up the dance, the rap, everything. So stop saying I'm a giver-upper because I am. Guys, let's go eat. Welcome to my kitchen. Later is mild kitchen light. Powder first coat. Beans, bro. That makes it way more delicious, trust me. This is some kimchi jjigae I made the other day and I froze it up. I put it in the fridge so that it can unfreeze, but it's still pretty frozen. I love putting kimchi and then the soybean sprouts in my ramen. It just makes it a lot more yummier. Oh my god, it's so good. In you go. I would put an egg, but I already had 2 eggs today. Holy snap, I'm so excited. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. 잘 먹겠습니다. This is how Han eats. Ugh. I think the bean sprouts and the kimchi really makes it more refreshing. So good. Some of you guys may know Han loves anime and manga, so I'm gonna be watching some anime while I eat. There was a fact about him saying that his favorite hobby is eating cheesecake while watching a horror movie. So to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, I'm gonna watch a horror anime. Scary animes. Oh, Death? No. Parasite. I watched a little bit of Tokyo Ghoul and it was actually pretty scary. Maybe I should watch it again. Oh, scared me. Bro, I'm gonna lose my appetite. Demolished. 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 You guys, do you know what time it is? It's time for the cheesecake. This is the marvelous Gray Street cheesecake. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so good. It's kind of a combination of roll cake but also cheesecake. So the outside is a bit more like fluffy, I would say, and then inside right here is like gooey, and it's really good. If you guys are in New York, go to Gray Street and make sure to get this cheesecake. Okay guys, I ate like less than half, and I'm gonna save the rest for my roommates because I think they would really enjoy this too. I'm nervous. She seems so sus. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh guys, I'm getting anxiety from this show. Oh my god. Whoa. This is a freaky one for sure. It's making me so anxious, but it's really good. Okay guys, that was such a good episode. Well, here we watch episode 2. I think I'm gonna end the video here. And honestly, this day is probably nowhere close to how Han spends his day. But yeah, I feel like that was a pretty productive day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want to see more of these type of videos. I'm a bigger fan of Stray Kids and Han now. What do they say? Like, step out! Stray Kids 한이었습니다. 감사합니다. 안녕. Bye bye.